enyanu na aba no womo efo so pan nyomo wanwa
na wo ensafufra ensu emu no okosuapon awuduoma omentime atu sa na mo no
asuase ni ewusa ewegina adwoabo ne hukani wofo wo 18 kusi
mukan
Ghana mi ye bambon sem so out abeton peso aso wo mu na wo mafu school feeding program online so ya nani je hu no ya to program yi mu no ebeka yira wo mo bamba Ghana education ka program for demands wo sem bebri program ni mu na boa
longer be trust, so everything will be running the first caterer to they can work on the phone.
Nipa motida children and Akwa Newman nene eno no
Adesimama no ana wa Ghana adesimama titiri ho ade ahokere ade abrɛ na so anya agya bibia so akwadiri wom o chetimi nya kuku obetimi nya kudu aba bontene no ri wo mo so na ya na montuo de asibi
finance minister atosini anase bi said on kan ho kire ene men so so okuma yesika na ye bra yiye nti ye nhwe kwan ye fa so a ye betutu yesika semi
Simama and governance analyst
ko epoya eno ne yiwo muti wa chikrabata wa chane naso nema ahunidie nsu ni bia no nti ena ma endi samonyo mia wuduta ema to toilet no kwan no ho anyoko na wo achemaboabo no adwuma wo aye wo mo ye ponu samkan ebema si world coordinator ema
aboabo ye yesisi ni mo ye do hye amamuo bone a eye makani mahama na
we ayo coordinator nene dododo tuni Ahenkan news ekasa wo mu mpefiu tia edi achedi sadwuma bi ndc ma no yenti wo mu
ai be enti ni nyina fi ye ni
din bi se ye magu kam ni asakeke da bi ya me bo so ye anya bato sika na odanfo die no mra bi sika enkrafo ndc
o kro mi bra mo bre utuo ni owo so no oni na MPP aban no omodo na kini di besi ya so sabi o ye betwa
Onipa otise wonu myom de tu samu nya se da ku
pa chop tema na ye wo ade se da bi adwuma ye
na ye pe enkabom onimnyafo
ade kire staff assess and noma bi achi dem ene ye nyina ye gya ye ti ahwede a omudi bi anyfo enya wo staff assess twen komo cheche nsem ni mu ema yen
OSP has trained Hammer, which is also at ATM, and you are at the jurisdiction in another hand. You don't have all.
Haruna na gusu ya hwese yensa betima
na enta omuni enra ba kata na chance na yensa enka makoma ntune dem
Adesimama wo hwe eya principals fo ya asem ketu pa no se wo na wo dia
Allah want to do you all no na ana esa fe de ma esa na yenu no so a wo ya Allah want na ye check
ye wono eya national chairman e de master yes senior
enko e krono bi ana kata ya asem no mu hwehwemu nyame adom afino ya asem no hwehwemu awri a ena jabin endo ye nsem twe o not abeto ampeso aso wonu wa bo de tem apa na man fenchem animu e man hwe e mama e bas krom yan kanto so e badada Onipa motini ni ayora Joseph kwa
yampem na ni nyina papa wa asem ni mu propom eje mu se akrono yo bi a be vice president official 1 e was woni e kire ayo de di da wonu mo adwa ba beto John Dramani ma ani se mani e wosida mahama no ba bi o ma nya ye no office of man nya ye no office of the John Dramani pocket I say
OSP has strengthened the Samuel Mahama, who also identified in the criminal prosecution in the UK. OSP has also said that he could have recused himself because of conflict of interest. He did not do, which is also an offense in Ghana. Remember, crime has no expiry date, and at any point in time, these confirmations can be dealt with. Our lawyers will also look at it. The MPP will state our position, but we are very happy to look at it. The MPP will state our position, but we are very happy that the government official one is there. Is there any law in Ghana that says that you can't pick a judgment of a competent court of jurisdiction in another jurisdiction? And that is why I say that the OSP has done a lazy. You don't have all the facts at hand, hence you cannot prosecute that case.
Anya Haruna Muhammad.
The media network ya the TV air conditioner free de. Unye sikabi pa dia 10 million bodem. Sanse wa brand to. Dia ye ne say home appliance no more to be community police obetumia to be community police obetumia to be teacher pay fridge watching the patrol frey 050
Masha Beauty and Training Center said obetini die ye de bi Masha e dia ma kama nyina wa ye moton wa na de be ya hoho mbeba no mu sampa bia so timi ne ho no obesiesie 309581 and sha beauty
aso Nelson Gate se guma saman akraman peni anna no hwe free wa chima mpuntu kodwoni chiankoma tia sanse we na nso message ode bae no ne government official ya wo emrewa ndwo aboadwo a oni ne wokani wofo wofa e wasa de chia de akọ